Hey, good morning. Joe Van Orsdol with Right Home Inspections. Doing a home inspection here in Minneapolis that has a, quote, radon mitigation system installed, closed quote. I just want to show you what's been done here. I'm going to hope that this homeowner did this himself, because if this was done by a professional, that professional should not be in business. I'm going to try and make this short, but this mitigation system is drawing out of the sump basket, which is very common. But what the problem is that the sump basket cover was not replaced with a sealed cover. Notice there's an output hole there where the sump pump would discharge its output had there been a sump pump installed, which there should have been while you're doing this. So this, quote, mitigation system, close quote, is sucking in a basket that's drawing air, makeup air from the house. So it is not actually drawing the air out of the subfloor, and so it's not reducing the radon at all in this home. We've only had the monitor in here 24 hours so far, so it's preliminary, but the reading is over 5, close to 6. So somebody spent some money doing this but didn't do it properly, so it's really just wasting electricity and creating a false sense of security. So this is a great reason why, if you're going to hire or need to install a radon mitigation system, my saying is that just because Menards sells it doesn't mean you should buy it. It's not really a do-it-yourself project. You should really have it done professionally, because these homeowners think they're saving themselves from the risks of radon, but in fact they're not. They just spend some money. So another good reason to hire a professional, and a good reason for a thorough home inspection with Right Home Inspections. That's all for now.